In this video, I will show you how to change your username on TikTok without waiting for 30 days. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, all you have to do now, tap on this section where it says edit profile, this one. After you come to this section, as you can see now, here is the section for editing your username. So tap on the username section. So as you can see now, here is my username. As you can see now, it will allow me to edit my username because I did not change my username in this month. So as you can see now, there is a times you have to read this term and condition before changing your name. As you can see now, TikTok says that you can change your username once every 30 days. So now if I change my username now, I can't be able to change it until I wait for 30 days. So now if you change your username twice in a month, you can't wait, you must wait for 30 days before you change it. So now I'll show you how to change it before the 30 days. So tap on this cancel button. So now go back and tap on this menu at the top right side, this three dot, and tap on this section where it says settings and privacy. After you come to settings and privacy, scroll to down and tap on this where it says report a problem. So now we allow it to finish loading like this, as you can see now. So after it opened this section for you, now as you can see now, scroll to down and tap on this where it says chat with us. So in this session now, you can get a chance to just chat with TikTok like team. They will solve your problem. All you have to do now, tap on this send a message button and type I want to change my username. Change my username. So tap on this send button to send the message. They'll prompt you with a command. As you can see now, here is the so as you can see now, here is the reply. As you can see now, here is the reply from TikTok. As you can see now, here is the reply from TikTok. As you can see now, it says hi. To change your username, you can follow they can follow this step that they'll give you. As you can see now, here is it. As you can see now, here it says your username can only be changed once every 30 days. Username can only contain letters. Here is the condition for changing the username. So all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see now, not helpful. This one, this not helpful. Tap on it in this section. So we're typing on this section. As you can see now, here it says we receive your feedback. Is there any else that we can help you? So just wait for them. They will respond to you. Since you said that this condition is not helpful for you, they'll respond to you and they will fix your problem to change your username before the 30 days. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.